Hello everyone, it's Recharger here, and welcome to a 143 scale video. So today we have something that came in, in the Estonian diecast model store. This and one other model that interested me at least came in as new models. You will see both of the models, the first one in this video, and the next one will be in the next video. And both, I was about to order them, but I was like, okay, since I was going to that uh, at the end of May, I was going to the Tallinn uh, diecast event for collectors. I thought maybe they will have it there, and yes, they did. They had this guy and the other vehicle that I wanted, so here we are. So let me take this off. And this model, well, you can see it's IXO, it's 143, and it is the 1978 Land Rover Series 3109 station wagon 4x4. Very long name. Been wanting to get this, other than the ones I have from Burago. Those are, well, toy-ish level, so this is more of a collector's piece. So I did want a collector's version of this model more. So, you know. To the side, it comes. All of these come in acrylic cases. I personally have not seen them coming in anything else. I keep forgetting that it is taped from the sides. As you can see, the model definitely looks amazing in this like British racing green color. Well, it is a British vehicle, and by any means, also comes with a tow hook. Well, it's something like a tow hook. Can't quite tell. But tires really skinny. This is like the Safari version, which I've seen only like in like Africa or Australia, Africa, like without the roofs, and they have some extra seats in the front for people to see like up closer, like the lions and all the wildlife out there. This one is more of a street variant, as you can see. We have one screw. Let's get it off. Out to the side. Get this plastic off. There we go. And let's look at the model even closer. So like I said, the color is amazing. We have this white top. It is a separate piece, so it is plastic. That window piece right there in the front is also plastic. As you can see, it's a separate piece, but everything there's like the green part on the set is all die-cast. Base is plastic, as they always are. A bit of wobbly tire in the front, but it's fine. It looks a bit weird from this side, but it looks perfectly normal on this side. So, like these basic steely wheels in white, matching the roof. There's your front details. You got your lensed headlights. Turning signals are painted. You got these like separate pieced plastic mirrors. Also, the back tire, it is rubber with plastic middle, so that is basically the same ones on here. These both taillights are on each side are lensed, except these on the bottom. Those are painted. You got these like little, I don't know, what do you call them, like latches or whatever they are, I don't know. Mini bumpers or something. There's the exhaust. It is a separate piece, at least the silver part of it is a separate piece. Grill looks fantastic. So the Land Rover right there. Interior is blacked out, so it's not very visible, but it is there. You got like your back seats, you got your trunk part, you got your front seats, steering wheel. There's even a mirror, as you can see from the back. No opening parts, since it's a model, it's not a toy. So I personally don't want opening parts on a 143 scale car. And it rolls super good, like no issues whatsoever. A bit of a wonky wheel on the back, but it's nothing too major. Not gonna play with this anyway. I'm playing with it now, but it's only because I want to know how it rolls. So yeah, there you guys have it. The Land Rover. I'm very happy about this one. Yeah, hope you like it also. Leave a like if you did, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.